With Vivi's Share Screen Timer feature, teachers are able to place a timer overlay onto the classroom display while also sharing their screen. To use a Share Screen Timer, begin sharing the screen. From the floating toolbar, select Timer. Set the timer length by either using the plus and minus buttons or by typing in the timer length. Choose if the timer will be displayed in the top right or bottom left, then select the play icon to start the timer. Once the timer starts, it will be displayed both as an attachment on the bottom of the floating toolbar and as an overlay on the classroom display. A gradually decreasing blue bar will give a visual representation of how long is left on the timer. The timer can be paused or stopped, or have the overlay moved to a different location on the classroom display. In the final 5 seconds of the timer bar will change to yellow. Then at the conclusion of the timer, a short audio notification will play. If in the full version of the app, the timer icon will be available at the bottom of the app when sharing your screen. Once begun, the timer will be displayed on the right-hand side of the app.